This is a foldable wagon cart, and this is one of those things you're not going to be able to live without once you have it. This holds 330 pounds and 180 liters. It's perfect for camping, for groceries, shopping, going to flea markets, gardening, traveling. You can put all your luggage in there, going in and out of hotel rooms. It's great if you're a crafter and do craft setups. And how about taking laundry to the laundromat? Boy, this would make it a breeze. This weighs less than 7 pounds, and even children and elderly can pull this. Here I was using it to transport some groceries, and this is also we're transporting some things to go into storage. It does have all-terrain wheels, and the front wheels rotate 360 degrees, and they have the built-in brakes. And it's super sturdy and stable. The body of it is actually made from premium high-density carbon steel, and the cloth on it is 20% thicker than other comparable brands, and the fabric is double layered. It's 600D Oxford fabric that's tear resistant and waterproof. And here we're showing you how to fold it all up. It collapses and opens up. It only takes 3 seconds to open it and close it. The time that it takes to put on the bag that protects it takes longer than it does to even fold this thing up. So the bag does have a zipper on the side, and it's got that front pocket that holds the base that goes inside the cart to make it real sturdy. That's a very thick board, covered board, and it really that's what gives it the most stability in the cart. So it's got a little spot there for that, and it's automatic rebounding handle, so you don't have to worry about the handle dropping to the ground or somebody tripping on it. And the cart does have two cup holders and full pockets on the front. You not only can transport items, uh, coming and going to things, but you can take your snacks and beverages with you securely also. And it folds up, like I said, in about 3 seconds. And it goes from 35 inches long, almost 38 inches tall, and 20 inches deep to a compact, easy to carry size of 23.23 by 8.27 by 9.06 inches. And the protective cover does keep it clean and fold it all together nice. And it has a side pocket to store that hard cart bottom. And there you can see how we set it up. It's just so simple to set up, and this just has so many uses to it. You're just going to absolutely love this, and I really encourage you to pick one up and give it a try. This would make a great Christmas gift, and it is, compared to other wagons, you're going to be amazed at the price. This pricing is the best price I've seen on one of these. So pick one up, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And I want to thank Ramnesi for providing me a sample of this so that I can share it with you.